helping up front. Nason, Burns. He'll get it over to Necas. Back for Burns. The wrist one, they'll score! Stefan Nason's first as a Cane on the power play. It's 1-0 Carolina.
Nason, beautiful redirection. He had to move his feet. Initially made his stick a target from Necas, and then gets himself back in a tipping position.
Sherry has the loose rebound. They get into that weave. Jensen trying to catch Anderson. Napping. Rebound, score! Dylan Strome.
Excellent work by Dylan Strome finding that loose puck. The first thing he did, he had to get neck front against Anderson. Innocent shot by Jensen. He remains hot getting points. The first deflection was a beauty. That
power play on the injured list. Gustafsson sets it. Ovechkin fires. There's the constant, though. He scores.
That is a blast. 785 goals for the great eight. Howe sits at 801. What a feed. Gets it to the point. We were worried about right-handed. Well, there's a lefty giving a beautiful...
Into the Washington zone. Necas has a lane shot out in front. They'll score! On the rebound, Andrei Svechnikov. Number 8 for 37, and the Canes have tied it at 2.
The Hurricanes have successfully gotten to the front of the net. And an activating defenseman. Net front, beautifully sold from
Philadelphia game in overtime. Let's see if he can get the shootout going for the Canes. He comes in and scores!
Halloween high heat. He knew exactly what he was doing when he stepped off the bench.